Hello, I'm Larissa Rubijevsky with Remax Palos Verdes.
I'm Mike Bjork with First Cal Mortgage, and welcome to South Bay Market Reports.
Today's topic is fun and fun. We are talking about buying your second home in South Bay. Talked a lot in the past about the distressed properties, short sales, REOs, people struggling, people trying to survive in this harsh economical environment. However, today we're going to be talking about lucky and smart ones who are ready, willing, and able to invest into today's phenomenal market. For the last 7, 8, I think even 9 years, the prices have been the lowest. And their interest rate.
Interest rates are lowest. It's the all-time high when it comes to affordability. Affordability has never been this great.
So, smart and lucky ones, they do take advantage of this market. And think about this. Doesn't matter how much you pay for the property today. Think about what the value will be in 5 years, or in 10 years, or in 20. You are building your wealth today. So please make sure that this time, which is fairly short timing, doesn't pass through you. Well, let's talk about somebody who would like to invest in today's market. You have a property that you are living as a prime residence. You would like to step up and, again, take advantage and buy another one. What are the lenders seeing, and how, as a lender, you're treating such situations?
What they're going to look at is if you're currently living in a residence, you want to rent that residence out because maybe either you don't have equity, or perhaps you just want to wait for the market to improve. Maybe you do have some equity, and that's a good thing because you're going to be required at least 30% of equity in the property to be able to use any rental income, to include that with your, what we call debt-to-income ratios, when we factor your income versus all your monthly expenses, and to be able to include that. So when you buy your next property, otherwise, if you do not have any equity into the property, we have to qualify both mortgages against you without any income included.
Well, again, I think rental market as of now is a little bit stronger than the seller's market. As a realtor, I would tell you, let's sell it. As your advisor and as your consultant, we would say, try to hold on to it. Hold on until these dark times are over. You will get way more appreciation in 2, 3, 5 years than as of selling it right now. Now, another situation when you would, for example, have enormous amount of equity, you owe your home free and clear. What's coming? Let's say you are semi-retired and you would like to downsize instead of do the upleg.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different things you can do. If you're retired, for example, and you're maybe age 62 years and older, if you have free and clear, for example, you can maybe take a little bit of money out, or if you have money that's liquid, and put maybe approximately 30% down for the next property and maybe rent out your current residence. You can use such a thing as reverse mortgages. A lot of people aren't aware that a reverse mortgage can be used as a purchase transaction. It's not just for refinance. You can actually buy a property with a reverse mortgage. The key is, if you're buying a condo or townhouse with it, is it has to be FHA approved, as it's FHA that's now insuring these type of products for you.
Now, the FHA loans, they are actually allowed for the second homes, right? I mean, how
you would consider that as a primary residence. So if you're going to be moving into the property, that's your primary residence. You do have to live in a reverse mortgage. You have to create a primary residence with that.
All right. Well, again, this is not as scary as the media is saying. This market is friendly for the investors, and especially for building your establishment wealth today. So let's talk a little bit more about that. We always can be reached at 310-387-1414.
310-694-3544, and we're here to create solutions for you.
Absolutely. Call us back.
And also, when you go ahead and see us, subscribe up above. We'd love to be able to reach out to you guys.
Do that.